Fleetwood.
Take you, Emma Katie Green,
Take you, Emma Katie Green,
to be my wedded wife.
to be my wedded wife.
I, Emma Katie Green,
I, Emma Katie Green,
take you, Callum Daniel Fleetwood,
take you, Callum Daniel Fleetwood,
to be my wedded husband.
to be my wedded husband.
Emma, I give you this ring
As a token of our marriage
as a token of our marriage
and a symbol of our love.
and a symbol of our love.
I promise to laugh with you in joy,
I promise to laugh with you in joy,
to grieve with you in sorrow,
to grieve with you in sorrow,
to grow with you in love,
to grow with you in love,
to be faithful to you,
to be faithful to you,
and to cherish and respect you always,
and to cherish and respect you always,
as long as we both shall live.
as long as we both shall live.
Callum, I give you this ring
Callum, I give you this ring
as a token of our marriage
as a token of our marriage,
and a symbol of our love.
as a symbol of our love.
As this ring has no end,
As this ring has no end,
neither shall my love for you.
neither shall my love for you.
I choose you to be my husband,
I choose you to be my husband,
this day and forever.
this day and forevermore.
And it now gives me very great pleasure to pronounce that you are lawfully husband and wife. And Callum, you may kiss your beautiful wife.
This is a bit different from the announcement I'm used to making. We won't actually be travelling anywhere else, and we won't be going up to 38,000 feet. However, you do join us on what is a very special part of our journey. And we're delighted that you can make it, so thank you very much for coming here today. There's only one real place to start my speech, and that is with my beautiful wife. I feel incredibly lucky to now have the privilege of calling you my wife. I've always believed that the person that you should choose to spend your life with to be someone who helps you be the best version of you. They believe in you, support you, and love you for who you are. Good, bad, and even just a little bit OCD. Emma, darling, I'm speechless. You look stunning. I expected you to look beautiful, but I can't describe how stunning you look.